If you are looking for a side hustle that is completely free to start, then watch this video. It's very simple, but you have to stay consistent. I'm going to make this as straightforward as possible. I even wrote step-by-step instructions. I'm gonna let y'all screenshot. Okay, screenshot this. Okay, step 1, create a Canva account. You can use the free one or you can have the premium one. Step 2, create 5 designs. You can start with 1, but 5 is better. I just used this, so we're going to use this as an example. Step 3, you are going to download this with the transparent background. There is a way, if you don't have premium, to do it outside of Canva. Okay, there it is. Step 4, printify.com and create a free account. Once you add all your email and your address and all that stuff, you're going to have your store and click add new store. This is step 5. Step 6, very important, Printify pop-up. You are not creating a website. You are creating a URL link only. Step 7, create your store name. U.S. citizen, fill in that information. Step 8, go to catalog and pick whatever product you want to print on. All your designs that you made. Let's start with the t-shirt. Step 9, we're going to start designing. This is from Gildan. This is a known brand. Bella & Canvas is also a great brand. This one's cheaper, so depending on what price range you're looking for, we're going to use this one. You're going to scroll down. Printify gives you the easiest choice, so click Start Designing. That's step 9. Step 10, upload that design you made. Click Open. And now edit the design of how you want it to look on the shirt. So I need coffee. I'm going to put it right there. I don't want a white t-shirt. I want to change it to like a sand brown color. So let's use sand. I don't care for white. And so this is what I made. Now you're going to go to preview so you can see it in real life and what it's supposed to look like. So this is what you're selling. This is sales. This is called digital marketing. That was step 11. Step 12, save the product. And it gives you mock-ups of actual people wearing the shirt. So you can click these, so when it pops up on your URL that all these people save selection, they're going to be there. So this is how it's perceived to be. Like, that's so awesome. They literally show you what it's going to look like. Once you save it, we're going to scroll down and change the name. I need coffee, tea. Scroll down, gives you all the description, does everything for you. This is important, your retail price and what profit you're going to make. Let me be clear. In the world of sales, and if you're just starting out, you do not want to make your products so expensive that no one is going to buy it. You have to stay affordable. This is a t-shirt we're talking about. I know everybody wants to make more money and you want your profit margin to be crazy high. But if you're going to lead to more sales and you're going to make more money, we need to be realistic and reasonable with your retail price. Keep in mind, Printify does take percentages out whenever it's ordered because they are doing all the work. All you are doing is uploading the product and then marketing it. They just give you your commission. They do everything. No inventory. It's printing, shipping. They handle customer service, everything. So let's be reasonable. So for this simple design, this t-shirt, I'm going to go about $20. So my profit margin will be $10.59. So go in and change each one. In the world of selling t-shirts, anything 3X and up, you will add more. So we'll probably go around 24, 25. It is more material. That's just how it works. They are doing everything. You're going to click Save as Draft. So these are all my products that I already have up. But at the top, this one, you're going to go here, click the 3 dots, and click Publish. Keep individual product details confirmed. I was going to say publishing and wait for it to say published. There you go. And now you're going to go to this top and click View Store. Now this is what they create for you. This is a Printify pop-up URL link. This is not a website. This right here is going to be what you're going to start selling to people. That is what you're going to put in your bio. You're going to send to your family and friends. You're going to start wearing. I think you can order samples through Printify. Printify handles everything. This is not an ad for Printify, by the way. I just got off live teaching everybody about this because I started this 3 days ago. With that being said, I am not going to sit here and say that you are going to make so much money. This is just something, if you are looking for digital marketing and looking to get into it, this is a great way to start. It is completely free. Make sure you are clicking Printify pop-up stores. That is key. Also, complete transparency. I just started this. I am just teaching y'all what I taught myself, and it's that easy to make this URL link to products that you are making by yourself, think about what you would want on a t-shirt or a cup or socks. You can do whatever. The catalog that you can choose from, you can make designs for everything. Obviously, consistency is key. You have to stay consistent. If you try this for a week and get 0 sales, you didn't try. You did not try. You can't say you tried. This is a consistency thing. You have to market your own brand, market your store, market your products. It's not just going to happen overnight. It will take time. But a side hustle like this can grow into something great if you have great designs, if you are awesome in marketing products. It's that simple. Again, you can screenshot this. Again, just being transparent. I started this 3 days ago. I hope y'all learned something from this. I know everybody in my live already was like publishing their own products as fast as possible. I was still on live and they were like, girl, I already sold one. And I was like, what? They made like a beanie and they were like, I can't wait to keep going. So if you have good ideas, you have good creative designs, put it on Canva, download it, put it on a product and sell the shit out of it. Welcome to sales. And I think you get paid out like your commissions every like the next month on the 15th or something. Again, I'm still new to this. I'm still learning. I have all my Mardi Gras hats up. I'm going to be adding more. I'm going to start creating my own products. This is definitely a side hustle. Do not quit your job to do this. If you're doing a side hustle, you should be making double the income of your normal full-time job before you quit anything. I just wanted to say that, okay? Also, it could just be a fun hobby that you want to do. You know? Okay, I hope this helps, and I hope at least somebody learns something. That's all that matters. But don't say this doesn't work. If you only try it for a week, it's not going to happen. You got to work for it, okay? Bye. I do want to say that I would appreciate anyone's advice who is in the digital marketing world, and I would 100% respect if y'all have easier ways to do things. Y'all let me know. This was just what I've learned the past 3 days.